Unveiling the richness of the 3Hmoob website, a digital haven for the Hmong community. In the ever-expanding digital landscape, communities around the world are finding new ways to connect and celebrate their unique cultures. Among these, the Hmong community has carved out a significant space on the web, with platforms like 3Hmoob providing a digital haven for cultural exchange, connectivity, and empowerment. In this article, we will explore and analyze the 3Hmoob website, delving into its value as a vital component of the Hmong community's online presence. Cultural preserving. The 3Hmoob website stands as a digital repository dedicated to preserving and promoting Hmong culture. From traditional art and folklore to contemporary expressions of identity, the website serves as an invaluable resource for Hmong individuals and enthusiasts looking to connect with their heritage. Community engagement. At the heart of 3Hmoob is a vibrant community eager to engage in meaningful dialogue. The website fosters connection through forums, discussion boards, and social media integration, allowing members to share personal stories, experiences, and insights. This virtual space becomes an extension of the tight-knit Hmong community, fostering a sense of belonging in the digital realm. Educational resource. The 3Hmoob website acts as an educational hub, offering a wealth of resources that enlighten both Hmong and non-Hmong individuals about the community's history, language, and traditions. From language tutorials to historical articles, the platform plays a crucial role in bridging the gap between generations and educating a wider audience about the rich tapestry of Hmong culture. Empowerment and representation. In an era where representation matters, the 3Hmoob website plays a pivotal role in showcasing the diversity and accomplishments of the Hmong community. Featuring success stories, profiles of influential figures, and highlighting achievements within the community, the platform empowers individuals to take pride in their cultural identity. Event promotion and celebration. Celebrations and events are integral to any community, and 3Hmoob excels in promoting and celebrating Hmong festivities. The platform serves as a calendar for cultural events, festivals, and gatherings, ensuring that members are informed and engaged in the vibrant tapestry of Hmong celebrations, whether locally or globally. Conclusion. The 3Hmoob website emerges not just as a digital platform, but as a living testament to the resilience, richness, and vitality of the Hmong community. Through cultural preservation, community engagement, educational initiatives, empowerment, and event celebration, the platform encapsulates the value of the Hmong community in the digital age. As the online space continues to evolve, 3Hmoob stands as a shining example of how a community can leverage the digital realm to strengthen its cultural roots and foster unity among its members. Thank you for watching.